Mahayana Buddhism, one of two major Buddhist traditions, arose in India in between 150 BCE and 100 CE and spread quickly throughout Asia. Siddhartha Gautama was born circa 563 BCE into a wealthy family. Gautama rejected his life of riches and embraced a lifestyle of asceticism or extreme self-discipline. The Mahayana Buddhism gives us positive ideas of the ultimate issues of life. The Mahayana or Great Vessel offers to all beings salvation by faith and love as well as by knowledge, while the Hinayana only seeks those few strong souls who require to internal aid nor the consolation of force.